ko na pag naghiwalay kami nito, ako yung mas magsusuffer, masasaktan. So parang I gave too much. Like, let's say, chances, I gave a lot of chances out. Like, kasi sometimes meron kaming mga misunderstanding. May mga ganong bagay kami. So why we broke up. I gave him a lot of chances to become a better person every day.
What does it...
Kasi,
Was he cheating?
dumating sa point na ganun niya.
Maraming beses siya nag-cheat, tapos pinatawad mo, tapos umulit, pinatawad mo, umulit.
I don't know, because I genuinely loved him and he knows that. And he knows na he was my first boyfriend also. I gave everything to him and I was like, I gave him a lot of chances because I just want him to feel also that there's one person that can truly love him. You know what I mean? Like, na hindi niya na kailangang hanapin pa sa ibang tao. Kasi he was the one who told me na nagkaroon siya ng mga failed relationship before and I don't want him to experience that again anymore. I just want to give him hope that he can truly love someone. Like, genuinely. Hindi niya na kailangang hanapin pa yun sa ibang tao.